for more LET EAS alarms animated. Starting off with Aruba. Show me what you got. Wow. That's completely satisfying to me. Aw. Man. This is kind of like very cool. Oh my god, explode. French, Southern, and Atlantic territories. You just got hit by a bell! And again. That's UFO, and that's Burma or Myanmar. What are you gonna do? No, 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 no! I'm gonna get attacked by the UFO! No! No! Oh my god! I'm getting attacked by a flippin' UFO made by Burma! No! Oh my god! Ah! Wow, I screamed because Burma scared me! We have Egypt watching his television with Botswana in there. Why are you looking at Botswana? Oh my god. Vietnam was like beep 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 beep, and there's like the Philippines. Someone just threw a nuke. It's most likely Russia. Oh my god, Vietnam is still alive. Cyprus! You stole the Brazilian EAS alarm! You stole the Brazilian EAS alarm. No. That's different. Cyprus. Cyprus? Could you please stop doing that? Cameroon. Why are you like screaming into hell? By the way, this is the last episode of the LET series. There will be more, what were the countries? There's like Nigeria, Chad, and then there's like Cameroon all together. For that, Niger's scared. Nigeria seems relaxed. Chad is relaxing with the glasses, and Cameroon is like screaming at the top of his lungs. Colombia is like rotating 90 degrees, or actually it's 360 degrees. Whoa! Martinique, you better calm down! Guyana, why are you here again? At least he's speaking in English. Who the hell is that flag? Oh, it's the Gambia. Northern Cyprus, and it got killed by Greece and Cyprus, the original one. Oh my god. Got killed by Cyprus and Greece. This is the American Samoa LT. American Samoa, Argentina, and then Nepal. Why? Tanzania! Stop having a bloody siege! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Switzerland? Bro, explained the Roman Empire law and died. Oh. Qatar. Oh my god, could you please stop the madness? Micronesia. Holding a gun. You can even see a computer that says, oh my god, that's Germany. Why do you look so angry from the bottom? Have you completely been down in the dumps, or you just like woken up on the wrong side of the bed? I seriously do not know. That's so loud! That black country killed my ears! At least Germany saved the day. The unknown country's like vibing into music. Swaziland. Jamaica. Just like from Jamaica. Oh my god! Massachusetts! Why are you angry? Massachusetts, can you please calm down? Oklahoma! Why are you doing for that cup? Ivory Coast! I seriously have no idea what that flag is. Kuwait! And there's like another unknown country. Namibia, pressing the button. And then there's like dropping Ice Cube from the FBI at a very, very, very fast speed, and like having a singer. Same visiting the grinning Jesus. It's like dancing to music. Lebanon and Tunisia is having an argument while Comoros is just sitting here, very, very anxious. Completely though. I hate my life. Fiji, you got those moves! Fiji! Quebec! No! I guess that's the end of the world. Not actually though. Thank you guys for all my support. I will be reacting to series 1 to 3 of the EAS alarms, but not without any bonus content because the bonus content is coming up soon.